Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can get out of the kids mode in Tubi TV. So let's suppose I search for 50 Shades of Grey or something like that. It will not appear while you are in the kids mode. Now, to turn off the kids mode, go to account settings in your profile and go to parental control. Now go ahead and click adult and type in your password. Let me show it to you again. Go to your profile and then go to account settings. Now go to parental controls and select adults. Write down your password, press save, and there you go. Now you have got out of the kids mode. Now if you search for 50 Shades of Grey or movies, it will be shown. This was a video on how you can get out of kids mode in Tubi TV. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and enjoy.